Oh man, where do you call that? What part of Florida? I'm from Philaldelphia.
What is up, guys? I am back in Philadelphia, my favorite place in the world. Pat's and Geno's on Passyunk Avenue. Already got me a Geno steak. Now I'm gonna go over to Pat's, grab one, and compare the differences.
Share it with the kid. You want to cut in hit?
Yeah, would you? That'd be great, man. Thank you.
You got it, buddy. There you are, man. Enjoy.
Alright, guys, there's a side-by-side comparison. Pat's and Geno's. Looks like Geno's is about half an inch bigger than Pat's King of Steaks. There's Geno's. It's got a nice hard Italian roll. Big slices of meat inside with whiz and a lot of onions. There's Pat's right there. Got a lot of sliced meat, onions, and whiz all mixed together. Looks excellent. First bite of Geno's. It's good. You can really taste the bread. Tasty. First bite of Pat's King of Steaks right there. Pat's got nice meat, just the right mix of whiz and onions, and it tastes great, all mixed together. Got these peppers from Pat's. I have no idea how hot they are, but I'm definitely going to try one here in a minute. Top. So one thing I noticed is the whiz, Geno's whiz, is a little lighter color. And the cheese a little thicker over here at Pat's. Alright, let's bite of Pat's. Alright, let's bite of Geno's. Look at all the whiz on there. If you're ever in South Philly, you gotta come by Pat's and Geno's and eat both their steaks. They're excellent. Guys, that is it for this video. I'll see you on the next one.